In today's video, I am going to share with you 3 hikes near Salt Lake City that are under 3 miles that also feature a waterfall. We are at the Heugh Canyon trailhead going to hike to Heugh Canyon waterfall. I think it'll be approximately 3 miles with a little bit over 1,000 feet of elevation gain, but let's see. Have to walk through the neighborhood first. We just got done with the Heugh Canyon waterfall. It was 3 miles with about 1,200 feet of elevation gain, and it took us an hour and 19 minutes. Apparently, there are often snakes on the trail, but we did not see them. But if you do this hike, make sure to watch out for that. And we did park on Wasatch Boulevard and had to go through the neighborhood. It seems like access has been kind of weird with some new housing developments. Yeah, the payoff was pretty cool. It was a good hike, nice short one. It is gradual uphill, but not insanely steep. It's a good way to start the morning. We are at the Gloria Falls trailhead. It's supposed to be approximately 2.3 miles and 550 feet of elevation gain. So a little bit of easier day, but there is a cool waterfall at the end. Let's go. We just finished with Gloria Falls. It was 2.5 miles with 530 feet of elevation gain. Pretty easy. It doesn't follow an actual trail the whole way. You end up going up the right bank of, you know what it is? It's White Pine Creek. You end up going up the right bank of White Pine Creek, but before you do the trip, maybe check all trails and look at the comments to see what people are saying. It is mid-June and there is still snow and ice on the trail, but it was a pretty easy hike with a nice payoff. Good for a Wednesday morning. Today is going to be the last waterfall that is under a 3-mile hike. It is Lisa Falls. The trail is only at 0.3 miles with 121 feet of elevation gain, so super easy. We are going to start somewhere else and make it a little bit longer, but I haven't done this one, so we will see what it looks like at the end. We are already done with Lisa Falls. That probably only took us about 10-15 minutes round trip, and we hung out and checked out some of the climbs, and we might go back for some climbing. It was a really cool waterfall, a great place to take kids in a hot day. It'd be really nice to get wet under the waterfall. Yeah, and the short hike makes it really nice. So there it is. Those are 3 hikes with waterfalls that are under 3 miles near Salt Lake City. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. I'm still so bad at this. I feel so awkward every time.
3 hikes with waterfalls?
Yeah.
You didn't say that.
What did I say?
3 hikes under 3 miles.
Did I say it right that time?